Hi guys, Tony here from MK Autos. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the service light on a Mercedes C-Class. This is a 2015 W205 chassis with this particular dash in it. If you're getting a service light coming up on your dash to say it's overdue and you've completed a service, this is how we're going to get rid of it. So we're going to be using these buttons here, the call, cancel and OK. You have to press these pretty quickly as soon as the light comes on, otherwise you're not going to be able to do it. When you put the key on the first setting, you have to be on the mileage section, and again, if you don't have this done, this won't work. So start off ignition off, turn ignition on, quickly go here, press and hold the three buttons, and then you'll get this secret menu coming up. And then here you can do your brake pad replacement for the electronic handbrake. If you press OK here, that will release the motors for the handbrake, and then you can replace the pads as normal, and then you go back into the secret menu and take it out of brake pad mode, and it'll reset the motors for you. But if you go down to Assist Plus for the service, press OK, turn ignition on, press OK, go down to full service, press OK, go down to confirm full service, and then you can pick the grade of oil that you have chosen to put in the vehicle. Today we've used 229.52. Press OK. Down to service carried out, yes. Down to confirm, press OK. Full service complete. Switch ignition off, switch ignition back on, and you can now see that the service light has been reset. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.